Hello, my dear student. Today I am taking differential of inverse trigonometry function. Before differentiating inverse trigonometry function, certain rules are to be adopted. First, I am explaining that. First category, y dy by dx. What is the differential of sine inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Like that, cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Like that, tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Like that, secant inverse x differentiation is 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Like that, cosecant inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Like that, cot inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, I am taking one sum for differentiating inverse trigonometry function. What is meant by inverse trigonometry function? See the examples. Sine inverse of e power 2x plus 3, cos inverse of log x, tan inverse of 2x plus 3 the whole square, sine inverse of sin log x, cosecant inverse of 1 by 2x plus 2, 3, cot inverse of cube root of x square minus 3x. These are all called as inverse function only. Why? In the first thing, all are inverse only. Sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, secant inverse, cosecant inverse, cot inverse. But after that, what will happen? In the first function, exponential function is coming. In the second function, logarithmic function is coming. In the third category, tan function, the trigonometry, algebraic function is coming. After that, trigonometry function is coming. After this, algebraic function is coming. After this, algebraic function is coming. You no need of this and all. This and all, you don't bother. What is the first thing? Inverse. So that is why, and inverse with trigonometry ratios. That's why it is called as trigonometry inverse function. Now, let us take an example. Sine inverse of x cube minus 5x square. Okay. What is the rule available for differentiation of trigonometry inverse function? Application of formula into differential of the function after inverse. Okay. Now you see, here sine inverse is coming. You see the thing. What is the differential of sine inverse x formula? Root of 1 by root of 1 by root of 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Now, what is given? Application of formula. So, 1 by root of 1 minus, in the place of x, what is available here? X cube minus 5x square. So, in the place of x only, you have to substitute x cube minus 5x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x cube minus 5x square whole square. Now, the formula application is over. After that, what I am telling? Differential of function after inverse. After inverse, what is available? X cube minus 5x square. This function is only called as function after inverse. This function is algebraic function. Okay. This is only simple function is given. So, differential of x cube is 3x square. And differential of minus 5x square is 10x. So 3x square minus 10x by root of 1 minus x cube minus 5x square whole square. Okay. Now, R is taking this directly. What is the sum allotted to you? What is the sum allotted to you? Sine inverse of x cube minus 5x square. That is, y is equal to sine inverse of x cube minus 5x square. Okay, student, you want to differentiate this. First, what is the important thing? Sine is given and minus 1 is coming. So, no doubt, this is a inverse trigonometry function. Okay, this is inverse trigonometry function. The first point, inverse trigonometry function. What is the second thing? What is the rule available for differentiating inverse trigonometry function? Rules. Application of formula into differential of the function after inverse. First, you have to note these 2 points. One is application of formula they are telling, another one is differential of the function after inverse. First, we should know what is my application of formula. Application formula means what? See, this prelims only very important for you to understand. Sine inverse x derivative is what? I am not writing all the function. So if you write all this function, you will be in complete confusion. That's why I am avoiding that. I am writing only sine inverse x is the majority here. That is the only function given here. That's why I am writing differential of sine inverse x. Okay. And this is inverse trigonometric function is confirmed because trigonometry ratio with -1 is available. So inverse trigonometric function. If it is an inverse trigonometric function, any inverse trigonometric function is rule only, this only. Application of formula into differential of sine inverse after differential of the function after inverse. Then what are the two things available? Formula, you have to go from this section. Formula, you have to go from this section. Then application of what? Formula, you have to go from this. Second point is into differential of the function after inverse means. So this family will be called as differential of after inverse. See, two things we are having with us. Application of formula we want, that is available here, one, and this is second one. So now we are having two things. So first you have to apply application of formula. Okay. So what is the function given to us? Sine inverse of x cube minus 5x square. Now I am writing derivative, differentiation. You go back. What is available here, student? Application of formula. What sir told? Application of formula means 1. So this is 1. We have to come here. What is the derivative for this? Sine inverse of sine inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Apply the same formula. 1 by root of, it is based on the same formula only you have tried, not the same formula. 1 minus, in the place of x, you replace x cube minus 5x square whole square. What happened? This one is successfully completed. Application of formula is over. Then after that, what sir is telling? Differential of the function after inverse. So which one is called as differential of the function after inverse means? What is that function? That is x cube minus 3x square. Okay? That only we have to differentiate into 3x square minus 10x. Then what will happen? What is the overall result? 3x square minus 10x whole divided by 1 minus x cube minus 5x square whole square. Correct? We will go to the back and see what happens. See what is written there. 3x square minus 1 by root of 1x cube minus 5x square whole square. 3x square minus 10x is coming in the what? Numerator. And I also am writing x cube minus 5x square as the function after inverse. See here, 3x square minus 10x is successfully coming for us. In the down, what happens? See, that also we verify here. 1 minus x cube minus 5x square whole square. So this problem is explained to you thoroughly. Please subscribe my video so that it can be updated to you. Thank you, my dear student.